Hello everyone. We are introducing an AI agent for database intelligence. You can directly speak with your data, query, analyze, and visualize it with your natural language. The main features of our model are you can ask questions in English, and the model writes the SQL queries for you and gets the data from the database. It's just by giving a simple prompt, you can look at all your data. The model also does analysis, that is, it creates summaries, trends, and patterns from the data. You can look at any anomalies or any change in patterns. The model also visualizes the data into beautiful charts and visual summaries, which makes it easy for you to understand the model. Let's look at few example prompts. For example, which client name and IDs have estimated runout days of 10? When you just ask the model this question, it looks at your database, writes the SQL query for you, and gives you an output with the client name and the client IDs. Similarly, if you want to look at the graph of the top 10 clients uh, who have been having the highest usage, you can just ask visualize the top 10 clients by total daily usage with a bar graph, and you directly get the bar graph with all the information that you require. It also tells you a small story about what the graph contains. Okay, so the main reason you need this model is you can just ask simplified English queries, ask questions in plain English, and you get the results you want. You can make faster decisions, that is, you receive clear insights, visualization that help you understand your data, and once you understand your data, you can quickly make a decision about it. It also helps you identify any unusual patterns, spikes in your data that you need to act upon immediately. So let's go ahead and look at how the model does in real time. So here you go. This is your chat interface where you can ask various questions. For example, the same prompt I was talking about previously. When you ask the model list all unique client names and corresponding emails, you get the AI response here. And then similarly, when you say visualize the top 10 clients by daily usage, you get a graph and you can select multiple graphs here, see which one is the most comfortable, and you get the story for the graph. You can go full screen to look at the graph much more clearly. So let's go ahead and try our analysis query in real time. So you can just give your query and hit send. What happens in the background is the model writes the SQL query, retrieves the data and looks at the data, does the analysis what we asked for, and in a matter of seconds, you just get the output. So here are some side headings that the model has given for us to easily understand what the analysis is about. Key metrics and ranges, trends and patterns, anomalies, and some business implications. This is basically what the model is suggesting that we have to do or we have to look on in the near future. And you have follow-up questions where the model looks at the data and creates few questions. If you are interested in looking deep diving into that data, you can just go ahead and click on these, and the model runs that query and gives you an output. There is no limitation on how many databases you can connect to. Well, you can connect to a number of databases. You can also upload Excel files here, start querying the files, and get outputs similar to what we have been doing. You can do the same retrieval, visualization, and also uh, analysis. Thank you.